inspired me to rap. Telling the truth. A lot of niggas be capping. Nah, in all honesty, bro, what made me want to start rapping was a relationship that I had with my moms and through music. It's the power of communication through music. Shared, bonded memories. And then, you know what I'm saying? You want to be able to help somebody else throughout their life journey. And I think the music is a great way to do that. That shit cool. A lot of niggas never understand what it means, or never know what it means. A lot of niggas never understand what it means. Nah, for real, bro.
It's real hard to get it, man.
If only he showed me my purpose every morning. I give attention to everything that I knew was for me. I wouldn't have to gauge it. I wouldn't have to stage it. I wouldn't have to clock in for these crackers and fake it. But see, I know how timing work and how I'ma work. The late night penner is giving birth till his fingers hurt. Just to give him 4-course meals and a real dessert. So when you see me touch them meals, know it's what I deserved. Heard. So I got a little part on the hook, too, to go with the hook. To the left a little bit. Like a little inch to the left. Yeah, there you go, there you go.
There was somebody who had put in like a caption or something like that, you know, somebody was calling you the East Atlanta Jay-Z.
Yeah.
I mean, how does it feel to be compared to one of the greatest to ever do it? I mean, do you resent those comparisons? Do you embrace it? I mean, how do you take it?
If you a nigga and you hoop and somebody say you like LeBron, would you be mad at that? Or you like Jordan, would you be mad at that? Again, anything you're trying to do, you want to be the greatest you at. And in my opinion, Hov is the GOAT. So why wouldn't I try to aim for that? So shout out to my nigga Biddy, man. That's a great comparison. That Hov verse though. Hov did.
Nigga, I turned the whole. I didn't even listen to the rest of the album.
Oh God.
That's it.
Kellen know what he did. I ain't play shit else.
That's why you go to it for.
I ain't play shit
I
else.
was on the road.
I let it ride one time.
Niggas on the road, dude.
But I went back to.
I was trying to listen to that shit. I didn't make it through the whole album.
I'm looking down, I'm like, damn, he's still rapping. 21-8. He slid on that bitch.
I seen
But
somebody tweet that. That's why I even waited for that song.
But it's just Hov, nigga.
Random. It was
Of course, it's the best
song.
verse. On
It's
that
just
album.
Hov. And you look down, he's like, damn, he's still rapping.
Right. I'm like,
It's the same song?
Yeah, it was an 8-minute song. I was like,
I can't fail for winning. God know I'm blessed. I got a thing for winning. Now when I say fuck, you say them. Fuck. When I say fuck, you say them. Fuck. So, fuck them forever if we do this shit together. Ain't Nathan Hey, bro.
oh shit.
You gotta bring that shit back. I miss songs like that. They'll run that bitch back like 3 or 4 times. Now when I say fuck, you say them. Fuck. When I say fuck, you say them. Fuck. So, fuck them forever if we do this shit together. Ain't Nathan Cracker can tell us they gon' smell us and be jealous of that victory. Listen, we hold heat instantly for enemies who entering with anything disturbing peace. I say it with my chest, my mind frame is chest for niggas who tryna stress. Meanwhile, I'm 3 steps anticipating your next. And knowing all my worst, I'm still killing your best, making people wanna invest in that nigga named Hughes. Fuck his dudes, it's clowns making the rules and they claiming size 2. And we know how niggas move when it's bitches in the room. More like the bitches than the bitches, shit is different, man. Fuck who get offended. Look who got offended. Same people known for bending. Must be the signs of the ending. Trying to free we. We don't even know that we slaves. Just making the rules and they claiming size 2. And we know how niggas move when it's bitches in the room. More like the bitches than the bitches. Shit is different, man. Fuck who get offended. Look who got offended. Same people known for bending. Must be the signs of the ending. Trying to free we. And we don't even know that we slaves.
Bending.
You know what I'm saying? Move when my words, I'm still anything to stir the peace out. Say it with my chest, my mind frame is chest. For niggas who tryna stress. Meanwhile, I'm 3 steps, anticipating your next. And knowing all my worst, I'm still killing your best. Making people
Hey, and I ain't say this earlier, bro. Shout out to my nigga Jade, dog. Look, Jade. Girl, I love you, nigga.
when it's bitches in the room. More like the bitches than the bitches. Shit is different, man. Fuck who get offended. Look who got offended. Same people known for bending. Must be the signs of the ending. Trying to free we. And we don't even know that we slaves. Shit that Harriet would say when she was breaking them chains. Now when I say fuck, you say them. Fuck. Fuck. When I say fuck, you say them. Fuck. Fuck.
Got him down.
So the goal is to finish November and December, and then prepare for an album?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
That's how I'm feeling. I think these two will end this chapter, and then spend like the last half of next year finishing.
So the debut album.
Yeah.
What point in your career would you say you're at right now?
We just getting started. You know what I'm saying? I was talking to somebody about this the other day. The difference is in what we do at 90s Made versus what a nigga who got a deal do is we do everything. Right? So it's like everything. Niggas over here get handed a vending machine, right? With fully loaded for comparison. We literally had to build the motherfucking vending machine. You understand what I'm saying? Create the snack, then wrap it individually. You understand what I'm saying? Then deliver it to the vending machine. Then load that motherfucking vending machine and to give you a product that's ready to sell. So we at the phase right now where I'm loading up the vending machine. You understand what I'm saying? Like every single level getting fully stocked to the point where a hungry nigga walk up to it, you will never go hungry fucking with 90s Made. So that's where I'm at with it right now. Cause we don't do just music, we do film. We got a crazy series on it's coming. So that's where I'm at to answer that question. We loading up the vending machine.
Which one you want? You feel me?
Hella flavors.
Which one you want, man? You want strip club shit? You want chill vibe shit, man? You want shit that gonna beat down the block? You feel me? Hughes having all that shit. You dig what I'm saying? Hughes having all that shit.